Okay, hello, this is another trying to fix a switch that I bought from eBay, and let's have a look at the port real fast. It looks good. Let's see what kind of charge it takes. Hmm. .33. Well, it doesn't say very much, but could be just the battery, which would make a pretty boring video, so hopefully it's something else. Let's open it up and have a look inside if we got water damage or something worse. Okay, so I disconnected the battery and I see some sort of residue and also the water damage indicator has been triggered. It's totally black now. I don't think this is water, I think this is flux or something. Somebody has been trying to fix this already. This is dry, the paste is dry, and yeah, we see what we get out of this, but let's first put a healthy battery in it and see what it draws then. And I have one here, I think, yes. So let's put this one here and let's see. Okay, 0.41. And on the screen, nothing on the screen, no charge symbol, nothing. Okay, well, this could be different kind of problems, and I fear that we have another one that is not fixable, but I will check some caps here. I remember that TronicsFix had a video that it draws something like this, and there were two caps on the other side that were shortened also, and then it's not probably fixable. But let's see first if we have some problem with charging chip, maybe here and then on the other side. So I will start to test and I get back if I find something. Okay, so there is a cap on the left. On the left side of the charging chip. I don't know if you see it. I could show a microscopic picture, but it's one here on the left here, and this cap, if it's shortened, then you should remove the motherboard and check the display chip behind. Also, I can see now that this is broken, this seal here, so there's definitely been somebody in here. So yeah, but I don't see water damage yet. This side of the board is really clean, but here has some, definitely there has been work here. Okay, so we have the cap underneath the display chip here, and it's shortened. And also you can see on this picture that I took that that above it is a small scratch or something above the chip here. And I scraped a little bit on it. I don't know, it just looks damaged in some way. But the cap is definitely shortened. These two are kind of shortened. They are not showing total short on both sides, so we might get away with this, but we have to remove the display chip first. And then we check if these values change and also if the short goes away from the display. Display. No, from the charging, from this cap beside the charging chip. Okay, the chip came off really easy and nicely, and you can see on the microscope picture here that we actually have a little trace that I have to check on. I think we can get away with that, maybe putting it into place and just solder on it, but I have to check continuity on that to where the trace goes. But also let's have a look if the cap is still shortened or not. Hopefully the short is gone now. Okay, here we go. One side, the other one is not shortened. Oh yeah, okay, so that is gone. Let's check this charging cap here. It's probably also okay then. It is. Oh wow. Okay. Let's check these two down here. Yeah. It's about 2 ohms. Oh, they are not shortened. Oh wow, this looks really good. It looks really good. Now I have to take my time. I have to look at that trace real close. Okay, so the display chip went on really nicely, as you can see, a little clip there. And also I checked the cap there, and I checked the cap beside the charging chip, and they are both not shortened anymore, and also these two are not shortened. And the trace that was a little bit damaged is now also connected without any jumper wire, and it looks to be on really well. So now the moment of truth. Let's put a battery in and let's put it into a charger and see if it turns on. Oh, that would be so cool. It should work. Come on. 0.41, please. Huh? 1. Yes! It's turning on. It's turning on. It's 1.22. All right. Hey. Okay, good. Let's put it into now. Let's put it into the shell and test it. All right. Yeah, I will put this together and then we test it together. Okay, it's together enough for testing. Let's put the power in and turn it over and hook it up. Oh yes. And Why are you not turning on? Oh yeah, this is not the good battery in it. That's why. Okay, so I'm gonna let this charge and let it turn on by itself. And yeah, then I get back to the video. I'm just gonna test it with a working battery instead. It's I can't wait myself, so let's test it. It should now just turn on. Go to 0.41, it's full, and yes! Console battery 93%. Alright. I really needed a working switch. Has been so long time. Okay, so let's turn it off. Let's clean it. Put thermal paste on, everything back together, and then we test it with touchscreen and everything and see that we have everything working. Alright. There we go. Everything is looking nice and shiny. Then we take some thermal paste. Arctic Silver 5. And we put a little blob there, which will make better contact with the heatsink, and the heat will be better transferred onto this from the chip. Yeah. Don't press too hard. Alright, and now let's put it into the shell, and then we put this on. I will do that here on this one, like so, and yeah, and then a little bit like that. Okay, the switch is back together, and it works fine. And this time it was only the small display chip that was the problem. Also, the battery was so discharged that I had to charge it for a long time, but it did work, so it now shows 94%. Yeah, thank you TronicsFix, because unless I would have watched your videos, I would not have been able to fix this. That is I'm pretty sure about that. And I think you had exactly the same kind of problem with some of your switches when you bought those 20 switches. So yeah, it was I kind of thought find this the same way as you told me there. So yeah, and thank you everybody for watching, and yeah, hopefully soon I will get another switch and do another video. Have a nice day.